What did you say you got?
Donuts. Just in case.
Ah, fucking sugar ring donuts. No jam in this fucking top box.
Didn't have jam or custard. You get what you're fucking given.
That's piss poor, that is. That's piss poor. Oh, it's a beautiful day. Look at this, look. We're off out again. Lovely jubbly. Aye, aye. What goes on here then? Right. A few bikes there. Oh, there's no point in stopping. He's got enough mates there, hasn't he? Well, this has got to be one of the nicest days we've had for a long time. What are we on? We're on 10 degrees already, 8:15 in the morning. So I'm meeting up with the other tossers. That'd be a good name for a band, wouldn't it? Todger and the Tossers. So it should be a good day. I do have the drone with me, so we can give that another go on 2.4 gigahertz. Because I think the dual band frequency on it is knackered. Now, this area we're coming up to now is called Poundbury in Dorchester. Now this was the then Prince Charles's little baby, and there is no fucking way, not a hope on this fucking planet, that they would have granted planning permission to anybody else had it not been him or his estate, the Duchy of Cornwall. It is honestly going to be bigger than Dorchester itself soon. The amount of houses they've crammed in there, and it's not just the amount that they put in. It is like a maze. But over to the right here, they're building right out to the very edge. I'm not sure if that front camera's picking it up. It's the only one I've got on. But as we drop down this slight incline here, down over where it splits into two lanes, over the right hand side, they are coming out to the very, very edge of that slope. I mean, I don't know how many thousands of houses they put on there, but absolutely phenomenal. So we've all been getting ready for the upcoming Tour de Faf 2026. This year it's going to be the southwest of Scotland, Dumfries and Galloway, the border, and this year there is going to be myself, Nick, Ice Diddy, Steve, the Dorset Rider, Joe, Kind to Go, Alex, Bleary View, Ron, Shooter on a Bike, Buster from Buster ADV, Gaz from Scottish Biker Abroad. I also believe that on a couple of the days we'll be having Tarkadal with us. Another day Darkside Biker is going to join us, I believe. And ain't that going to be fun on group comms? We can't go too far because I can't afford to get any fuel now after buying coffee in there.
Fucking right. Now, talking of fuel, we're at a fuel station. Have you got fuel, Nigel?
I have 155 miles.
What? But we're doing over 200.
Yeah, we're going to want fuel later anyway, aren't we?
I won't, I'm topped right up. Oh, hang on. Yeah, no, go on. I haven't started my Sting Rat, have I? No, I haven't started my Sting Rat.
What a wanker, what a wanker. And does him good like a bloody well should, because he's a wanker, because he's a wanker.
And my phone's in my top. Well, I've got the route up, but I haven't started the ride, so that's fine.
So you got the line up then?
I got the line up.
Hey, fucking don't mention line up. I've done a few of those. Mine nobody flings their doors open.
To be honest, if I saw Nigel in a lineup, I'd pick him anyway. It was him. Exactly, he's got to be guilty of something.
I keep telling you, my kind of luck, if I fell in a barrel load of nipples, I'd still come out sucking me fucking thumb.
Yep.
I'm going to fly my drone down through there one day.
You brought your drone today.
I have, but only the 2.4 megahertz section. Yeah, it's the 5. Is it megahertz or gigahertz?
Hang on, your top box is open.
Oh no. Mine?
He takes the piss out of me.
300 yards and we're faffing. Can you reach it? There's nothing coming now. On that scooter. Oh, don't get off. I can get off. Oh, you get his...
Look at this, isn't it?
I could have got off. She thought we'd stop to let her through. She thought we were nice. Little does she know we're tossers of the highest fucking ability. Thank you.
Alright.
I could have got off eventually.
Wait, you go over the next bump and everything will fly out.
How many are what?
Tractor! Oh, telehandler, look, with Gert forks hanging out the top.
Yeah, I think it's going to be 11.
Beautiful.
Riding.
Beautiful. Yeah, not every day though. I think I know Darkside Biker wants to ride with us one day. I know Tarkadal wants to do one day.
He's got what?
Yeah. Hang on. We can't do this without Steve. What's that old saying in the military? Never leave a man behind. So, I'm going to stop the video here and you can watch some drone footage of when we did get down to Dartmoor instead.